Today I'm going to be installing some tip over bars on the back of the ST1300. Let's see what we need for that. These bars were ordered from a guy that's on the Honda ST1300 forum, and he does a real good job. These are solid bar. There's no tubing here. He gives you the left side, right side, and 4 longer stainless steel bolts. You're going to need a 8mm apex, an extension that's going to be long enough to where you can reach past the tip over bar, a ratchet, and if you desire, a torque wrench set to 31 foot-pounds, possibly some lubricant. Remove the saddlebags. It's recommended that you only remove one bolt at a time, and you start with the bottom bolt. In this case, I'm going to put a 17mm closed-in wrench on the back side and bear down on that nut a little bit. Put some lubrication inside that hole, but make sure you don't spray through the hole and onto your tire. That'd be a bad idea. Put the new longer bolt into the tip over bar and get it started in the hole. Run your bolt in until you can feel it just coming through the back side. Now remove the other bolt. This should not have a nut on the back side of it. Install a new longer bolt. You're going to run these in, torque them to 31 foot-pounds. Reinstall the lock nut on the back side of the bottom bolt and tighten securely. Solid as a rock. Reinstall your saddlebag on this side, and you'll be done with this side. Perfect. Hope we never need them. Hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. And I'll have the links below where you can get these tip over bars.